Hey there, Dustin Heiner here with Master Passive Income, and I'm super excited to share with you the Real Estate Wealth Builders membership. Now, what that means for you and everything about it, I'm going to explain to you right now. And when I first got started investing in real estate in 2006, there was literally nothing out there like this. There was no courses like this. There was no coaching. There was coaching, but it was $40,000 to do like a 2-week coaching program. It was ridiculously expensive. So I created something, the Real Estate Wealth Builders, in order to alleviate that problem, because we need to have the coaching, we need to have the teaching, which is the lessons on how to do it. We need to have a membership where we work with other people, and we also need to have accountability to get the job done, get the business built up. And that's what the Real Estate Wealth Builders membership is all about. Now, what that's going to look like for you is, number one, you're going to get the teaching. You're going to get everything that you need to become a real estate investor, buying your real estate rental properties, but building the business first so that it runs itself, that you're buying the right properties, that other people are doing the work for you. That's what we're going to be doing, is building a business. Now, I've created 5 different courses to help you go along the way. Now, the first one, it's called Your First Investment. Now, when you think about it, you're going to buy a rental property. That's the goal, is to buy your first rental property, then your second one. But your first investment is in you, getting you the finances to be able to buy that first property. See, as I've gone through loads and loads of coaching with coaching students, I've also had to turn away many people for coaching because they just weren't ready. And they weren't ready because either they had too much debt, they didn't have enough savings, they didn't even have an emergency fund, they had too many expenses, so they kept going into debt. And then I realized what I need to do is I need to help people get to to have their first investment in themselves with financial knowledge, literacy, and understanding, so they can be wealthy. On top of that, getting them to $10,000 saved to invest. So that's your goal with Your First Investment. That course is your first foundation for everything in the principles of having money and investing money. Now, I also created another course, the Real Estate Foundations course. This is the foundation of everything we're going to be doing so that you have all the understanding of how real estate investing works. That's the Real Estate Foundations. The next course that I've created is the Ultimate Real Estate Investing System. This is from beginning to end how to actually build the business, from not having any knowledge of the business, of real estate or anything like that, to the end having a fully running business that runs on its own, other people doing the work, and you making $250 or more every single month in passive income from one property. Now, if you get 10 properties, that's $2,500 a month. That would be $30,000 a year. See, $250 a month for one property is $3,000 a year. Well, if you have 10 properties making you $250 a month, that's $30,000 a year. Imagine that. And so that's the Ultimate Real Estate Investing System, getting you the business, setting up the business, buying those properties. Next up, I'm going to show you how to invest out of state. Now, as I get so many coaching students, they are really interested in investing in areas that are going to make them the most money, have the least amount of money coming out of their pocket, and the most money coming back in passive income. One of the best ways is to invest in other states. There are so many other states that have really good properties that make a lot of money in return and cash flow. I'm going to show you how to find those, how to buy those, how to make sure other people are doing the work. I'm going to show you how to invest out of state, just like I do with all my other coaching students, walking them through the process one-on-one. Now, lastly, the last course that I just created is the Advanced Investor. Now, anybody can buy one property. Anybody can actually even buy 2 properties. But to do those right, you need to have the knowledge, and then to grow it to 10 properties, 20 properties, or even 30 properties or more, you need to be an advanced investor, where you're using advanced strategies that most people don't even know about. This is where I'm going to show you how to become an advanced investor, how to actually get funding, how to manage properties, how to scale the business, how to do this right so you have enough money coming in passive income so that you can quit that J.O.B, that just over broke job. So you're going to get those 5 courses. On top of that, you're going to get group coaching. See, now also do one-on-one coaching. Me and my coaching staff for Master Passive Income, we do coaching one-on-one, but not everybody has enough money to afford paying a coach one-on-one to walk them through the process, just like hiring a personal trainer. It's a lot of money to do that. But if you go to a group class where you're going with a lot of other people and getting the same knowledge as everybody else, it spreads it out. So this is what you're also going to get. You're going to get group coaching along with all the 5 amazing courses. You're going to get the group coaching as well. See, the group coaching is going to be a weekly and monthly coaching where we're going to be getting questions and answers and helping people to build the business, being very applicable to you and to everybody else. You're going to be learning everything as everybody else is as well. On top of that, all of these are going to be archived inside the courses, so you're going to be able to watch all the past ones as well to see, hey, how did this person do it? Or what was this answer for this question? You're going to get all that stuff inside all of the archive of every single one of these group coaching. On top of that, you're going to get everything else in the future. All these group coaching lessons, you're going to get those as well. Another thing you're going to get is the Master Passive Income student community. This is a community of other investors who know the business model, who've already been through there, who are already going on to their 3rd or 4th or 5th property, that are ready and able to help each other out. This business is all about helping each other out, finding out where to invest. Find out, hey, is this property good? What do you think? Help me run the numbers. Am I going to be making enough money? Or this happened on this transaction. This deed is coming up this. Can you help me with that? We are all in this together. We're all going to be helping each other. I'm going to be in there. The other Master Passive Income coaches are going to be in there as well as all the other students. I love seeing how all the students work together so that they become successful business owners, successful investors. So you're going to get all 5 of the courses. Each one of those courses are we'll go through each one. Your first investment, that's a $1,000 course. You're going to get the real estate foundations. That's a $400 course. You're going to get the ultimate real estate investing system. That alone is $3,000. I charge for $3,000 for that course. You're going to get the out-of-state investor. That's a $1,400 or $1,495 course. You're also going to get the advanced investor. That's a $2,000 course. You're going to get all those courses, plus the group coaching, which we charge $4,000, $5,000, $6,000 for personal one-on-one coaching. You're going to get all that as well. You're also going to get the student community on top of that, all for a low monthly fee. Like, I try to make this as low as possible so you can get in there, you can learn everything. This is for you. This is for you where you are every single step of the way, from the very beginning, not having any money, having loads of debt, no credit. I help you to fix all that to the very end where you are an advanced investor, scaling your business even more so that you have 30, 40, 50 properties so you can quit your J.O.B. I have everything built up, because the biggest thing was, as I was coaching people, there were a few gaps. People couldn't get enough money to start, or they needed to scale. I've basically built everything out for you from beginning to end on top of the group coaching. That's the biggest thing you're going to get, is the group coaching. On top of that, the networking, the working with other investors, it's fantastic. So what I want you to do is I want you to get in below, click the link below so you can get into the Real Estate Wealth Builders community. We're going to be working together. We're going to be making sure that we are all successful. So I'm super excited to be working with you. As soon as you click on that link, as soon as you enroll, you'll be getting access to all of the 5 courses. On top of that, we will get you inside of the student community. You'll be working with all the other students as well, asking all the questions, getting all the answers that you need. And on top of that, you're going to get the group coaching calls. You're going to get access to the group coaching calls. Now get in there. I want you to join the membership every single month. We're going to be working through everything, weekly and monthly coaching calls. So I am super excited to have you in here with us in the Real Estate Wealth Builders community. Let's do this. Let's become a successful investor having a business that makes money without us working. Okay, guys, click on that link below. Get in there. I'll be working with you, and I'm looking forward to seeing your success.